guys, welcome back to Competitive World channel. In this video, we will discuss some of the important problems on simple equations. Here is the first problem. Solve 3x plus 5 is equals to 5x plus 1. Here there is an algebraic expression. We need to solve x here. 3x plus 5 is equals to 5x plus 11. Take it this 5x into LHS side. Both these two terms. 3x plus 5 minus 5x minus 11 which is equals to 0. 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. 5 minus 11 is minus 6 which is equals to 0. Therefore 2x is equals to 6 and x is equals to 2 ones are 2 threes are, and we need to send this minus sign to RHS. It will become minus 3. Therefore LHS is equals to, they given that is 3x plus 5. We need to substitute x value here. 3 of minus 3 plus 5 which is equals to minus 9 plus 5 which is equals to minus 4. And RHS is equals to 3x plus 11. Substitute x value minus 3. 5 of minus 3 plus 11. 5 3s are 15. Minus 15 plus 11 which is equals to minus 4. Therefore RHS is equals to LHS. Hence proved the given condition in the problem. Here is the next problem. Total number of boys and girls in a class is 52. If the number of girls is 10 more than that of boys, find the number of boys. In a class, the total number of girls and boys is equals to 52. And they given that the number of girls is more than 10 of boys. And find the number of boys. We need to calculate number of boys, and they given one hint. That is, number of girls is more than 10 of the boys. Let us assume number of boys is equals to x and number of girls is equals to number of girls. They given that number of girls is 10 more than boys. So boys is number of boys is equals to x, and 10 more than that means x plus 10. Therefore total number of girls and boys in the class is equals to x plus 10 which is equals to 52. In the question only they given that the total number of boys and girls in a class is equals to 52. So sum of girls and boys which is equal to 52. X plus 10 which is equals to 52. X plus x is 2x. 2x plus 10. Therefore 2x is equals to 52 minus 10. That is equals to 52 minus 10 is 42. And 2 ones are 2 twos are and 2 ones are. Therefore x is equals to 21. Now x is nothing but total number of boys in a class is equals to 21 members. The next problem. The present age of Ramu's father is 3 times that of Ramu. After 5 years, sum of their age would be 70 years. Find their present ages. The present age of Ramu's father is 3 times that of Ramu. After 5 years, sum of their age would be 70 years. Let us consider Ramu's present age will be x years, and they given that in that question Ramu's father age is 3 times of Ramu. So 3 times of Ramu's age is nothing but 3 into x which is equals to 3x years. And after 5 years Ramu's father age is 3x plus 5. And sum of their ages of after 5 years. This is of not, this is after 5 years, that is equals to after 5 years Ramu's age is equals to x plus 5. We need to add 5 after means before means just we need to subtract it, that's enough. 3x plus 5 and x plus 5 which is equals to 70, because in the question they given that after 5 years sum of their age would be 70 years. So we need to equate for 70. X plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 which is equals to 70. X plus 3x is 4x plus 5 is nothing but plus 10 which is equals to 70. 70 minus 10 is nothing but 60, and 4 ones are and 4 5s are. X is equals to 15 years. X is nothing but it is Ramu's age. Ramu's age is equals to 15 years. And present age of his father is 3 times of his age. So 3 into x. 3x is nothing but 15 years. 3 into 15 is nothing but 45 years. Present age of Ramu's father age is 45 years and Ramu's age is 15 years. and we need to calculate after 5 years age. So Ramu's age after 5 years is equals to x plus 5. X is nothing but 15. 15 plus 5 is 20 years. And Ramu's father's age after 5 years is 3x plus 5, which is equals to 45 plus 5 is nothing but 50 years. Here is the next problem. The purse contains 250 rupees in the denomination of 10 rupees and 50 rupees. If the number of 10 rupees notes is 1 more than that of 50 rupees notes, find the number of notes of each denomination. First we need to understand the question. The purse contains 250 rupees. A purse have 250 rupees in the denomination of 10 rupees notes and 50 rupees notes. If the number of 10 rupees notes is 1 more than the 50 rupees notes. Here the number of 10 rupees notes is 1 more than that of 50 rupees notes. Find the number of notes of each denomination. We need to calculate the number of notes of 10 rupees and 50 rupees in that purse. Let the number of 50 rupees notes is equals to x, and then the total value of 50 rupees notes is equals to 50 into x, which is nothing but 50x, and number of 10 rupees notes is equals to x plus 1, because in that question they given that the number of 10 rupees notes is 1 more than that of 50 rupees. We consider 50 rupees notes is equals to x, and 1 more than that means just we need to add 1 to that, that is x plus 1. Then the total value of 10 rupees notes is equals to 10 of x plus 1, that is nothing but 10x plus 10. Then the total value of money in that purse is equals to 50x plus 10x plus 10, which is equals 50x plus 10x is 60x plus 10. By problem, the total value of money in that purse contains is 250 rupees. The total amount in that purse is equals to 250 rupees. Therefore, 60x plus 10 which is equals to 250. Send this plus 10 to RHS, it will become minus 10. 250 minus 10 is 240. Therefore, x is equals to 240 by 60. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 fours are 24. Therefore, x is equals to 4. X is nothing but here the number of 50 rupees notes, which is equals to 4, and 1 more than that of 50 rupees notes is nothing but 10 rupees notes. So 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5. Thus the number of 50 rupees notes is equals to 4. Number of 10 rupees notes is equals to 5. Here is the next problem. Length of rectangle is 8 meters less than twice of its breadth. If the perimeter of rectangle is 56 meters, find its length and breadth. They given that the length of rectangle is 8 meters less than twice of its breadth if the perimeter of rectangle is 56 meters. In the question they given that perimeter of rectangle and length is 8 meters less than twice of its breadth. We need to calculate length and breadth of the rectangle. Let us consider breadth of rectangle will be x meters, and twice of its breadth is nothing but 2 times of its breadth, that is 2 into x meters, and length is equals to 8 meters less than twice of its breadth, that is 2x minus 8. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 of L plus B. Length is x meters and its breadth length is 2x minus 8 meters and its breadth is x meters. 2 of x plus 2x minus 8. 2 of x is 2x. 2 of 2x is 4x. Plus into minus is minus. 2 8s are 16. 2x plus 4x is 6x. 6x minus 16 meters is the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 6x minus 16 meters. And by problem, the perimeter of rectangle is equals to 56. They given that. So we need to equate the 6x minus 16 meters is equals to 56. And send this minus 6 to RHS, it will become plus 16, which is equals to 72. Therefore, x is equals to 72 by 6. 6 ones are and 6 ones are 6 twos are, which is nothing but x is equals to 12 meters. X what we have been considered here, x is nothing but breadth of the rectangle. Therefore, breadth of rectangle is equals to 12 meters and 8 meters less than twice of its breadth is length. So 2x minus 8 is nothing but its length. 2 of 12 minus 8, which is equals to 24 minus 8 is nothing but 16 meters. This is the next problem. If we add 7 to twice of a number, we get 49. Find the number. Let us consider a number will be x, and we need to add a number 7 to that twice of number. Twice of number will be 2x, and we need to add 7 to that. That is 2x plus 7, which is equals to 49. That is 2x plus 7 is equals to 49. Send this plus 7 to RHS. It will become minus 7. 2x is equals to 49 minus 7. X is equals to 49 minus 7 is 42 by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are and 2 1s are. X is equals to 21. Therefore, a number which is equals to 21. Here is the next problem. If we subtract 22 from 3 times of a number, we get 68. Find the number. Let us consider a number will be k, or any number you may consider that is in the form of letters, whatever it will be. 3 times of a number is 3k, and after subtracting 22 from 3 times of a number, we will get 68. So 3k minus 22, which is equals to 68. Send this minus 22 to RHS side. It will become plus 22. 68 plus 22 is nothing but 90. Therefore 3k is equals to 90, and k is equals to 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 0s are. Therefore k is equals to 30. A number is 30. Here is the next problem. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the number by the other by 3, find the numbers. They given that sum of two numbers is 95, and one is exceeds by other one is exceeds by 3 of the other. Find the two numbers. Let us consider a number will be x, and one more number is exceeds by 3 of the considered number. So second number will be x plus 3, and sum of the two numbers is equals to 95. So x plus 3 is equals to 95. X plus x is 2x plus 3, which is equals to 95. Send this plus 3 to RHS. It will become 95 minus 3, which is equals to 92. 2x is equals to 92. Therefore x is equals to 92 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 6 are 12. Therefore x is equals to 46. A number is 46. And one more number that is exceeds by 3, that is x plus 3, which is equals to 46 plus 3, which is equals to 49. Sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 24. Find the integers. Let us consider some of the 3 consecutive numbers, that will be x, 2x, 3x, and sum of that numbers is x plus 2x plus 3x is equals to 24. X plus 2x plus 3x is 6x, which is equals to 24, and x is equals to 24 by 6. 6 1s are 6 4s are. Therefore x is equals to 4. It is first number, and 2x is nothing but 2 times of 4 is 8, and 3 times of 4 is 12. Therefore the consecutive numbers are 4, 8, 12. The next problem. Find length and breadth of a rectangle given below if its perimeter is equals to 72 meters. In the rectangle, they given that length of a rectangle is 5x plus 4 and breadth of a rectangle is x minus 4. We know that perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 of L plus B. 2 of L is 5x plus 4 plus x minus 4, which is equals to 72. 5x plus 4 plus x, and plus into minus is minus 4. 2 of x plus 5x is 6x plus 4, and minus 4 will get cancelled. 2 of 6x is 12x, which is equals to 72. Therefore x is equals to 72 by 12. 12 1s are 12, 6 are 72. Therefore x is equals to 6, and substitute its x value in length and breadth of a rectangle. Length of a rectangle is equals to 5x plus 4, x is 6, 5 of 6 which is nothing but 5 6 are 30 plus 4 is 34 meters. It is length of rectangle, and breadth of rectangle is x minus 4, x is 6 meters, 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore breadth of rectangle is equals to 2 meters and length is 34 meters. Just there is simple verification. 2 of L plus B which is equals to 72, because perimeter they given that in the question, which is equals to 72. 2 of here length is 34 plus breadth is 2 which is equals to 72. 34 plus 2 is nothing but 36. 2 of 36 which is equals to 72. 2 times of 36 is nothing but 72 which is equals to 72. Just for a verification, if your calculated values are equal or not, if you need to check means, just like if you done means, you'll get clarity. Problem: length of rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4 meters. If perimeter of rectangle is equals to 84 meters, find its length and breadth. First we need to understand the question. Length of a rectangle exceeds by its breadth by 4 meters, and the given perimeter of the rectangle is equals to 84. We need to calculate length and breadth. Let us consider B will be the breadth of rectangle and its length is exceeds by 4 of its breadth. So we need to add B plus 4, that is L, length of the rectangle is equals to B plus 4. We know that perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 of L plus B, and 2 length of rectangle is B plus 4 and breadth of rectangle is B. 2 of B plus B is 2B plus 4. 2 times of 2B is 4B. 2 times of 4 is 8. 4B plus 8. Here they given that perimeter of rectangle is equals to 84 meters. Therefore 4B plus 8 is equals to 84. 4B is equals to, send this plus 8 to RHS, it will become minus 8 which is equals to 76. B is equals to 76 by 4. 4 ones are and 4 ones are 4 nines are 4 nines are 56. Therefore B is equals to 19 centimeters, and length of rectangle is exceeds by 4 of its breadth. Therefore L is equals to B plus 4. B is 19 meters, that is 19 plus 4. 19 plus 4 is nothing but 23. Therefore length of rectangle is equals to 23 meters. Here is the next problem. In adjacent figure, find the magnitude of each of the 3 angles formed. They given one of the figure. In that there is number of formed angles are 3, x degrees, 2x degrees and 3x degrees. We know that angle formed at a point which is equals to 180. So sum of these all angles is equals to 180. That is x degrees plus 2x degrees plus 3x degrees is equals to 180. X plus 2x is 3x, 3x plus 3x is 6x which is equals to 180. X is equals to 180 by 6. 6 ones are 6 threes are 18, 6 zeros are 0. Therefore x is equals to 30, and 2 times of x is nothing but 2 of 30. 2 times of 30 is 60, and 3 times of 30 is nothing but 90. Therefore the angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. These are the angles in the adjacent figure. What they have been mentioned in the figure, angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Let us move on to next problem. Write the information given in the picture in the form of an equation. Also find y in the following figure. The given one of the figure, by the information given in the question, we need to write an equation and also we need to calculate y value. According to the data given in the figure, sum of y plus 8 which is equals to 3, because length of this figure is equals to 13 and sum of this 2 is which is equals to 13. So y plus 8 is equals to 13. Y is equals to, send this plus 8 to RHS, it will become minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5 centimeters. Therefore y is equals to 5 centimeters. It will be the expression and the value of y will be 5 centimeters. This is the next problem. The teacher tells the class the highest marks obtained by students in our class is twice of the lowest marks plus 7. The highest marks is 87. What is the lowest marks? They given that the highest marks obtained in a class is equals to 87, and we need to calculate lowest marks. Again, one more hint also they given, that is highest marks obtained by a student in a class is twice of the lowest marks plus 7. Here is the next problem. Suhana said multiplying my number by 5 and adding 8 to it gives same number as subtracting my number from it 20. Find Suhana's number. First we need to understand the question. Suhana said that multiplying my number by 5 and adding 8 it gives the same answer. Let us consider one number. To that we need to multiply 5 and we need to add 8. Again it gives that the same number as subtracting my number from 20. That is, let us consider Suhana's number will be x. After multiplying 5 to a number is 5x, and again we need to add 8 to that. That is 5x plus 8, which is equals to subtracting my number from 20. That is nothing but 20 minus x. So 5x plus 8 is equals to 20 minus x. Send this minus x to LHS, it will become plus x. 5x plus x is 6x. Send this plus 8 to RHS, it will become minus 8. 20 minus 8 is nothing but 12. 6 1s are 6 2s are 12. Therefore x is equals to 2. Therefore the Suhana's number is equals to 2. Okay guys, thanks for watching.